Hey guys, Pixel Gunner here, and today we're going to be doing a gun review. And today's gun review is on one of the newest guns called the icicle minigun UB2. This is really small. If you actually look at it, it's very small, but yet, who knows? It might be very strong because its lethality is high, the fire rate is 97, capacity is 65 to 150, and it slows down the target. I actually want to play one of the newest maps. Ow, it hit my glasses. Alright, so I want to play Toy Factory because this looks amazing. Like, wow! Not sarcastically, but like literally, wow, this looks, ooh, unicorn. If you guys can't see it, it's like right there. Right there. You can't really see where I'm pointing at. So, and so yeah, actually no, this is fine. I'm fine. Oh god. I don't want to use the nutcracker. I want to use this gun. Oh, it actually does kind of slow. Hey, look, it's an elf. Wow, why do I keep missing all these shots? Holy moly, this thing shoots fast. Oh yeah, when you die, you now respawn with full ammo. Wow. It's nice. Thanks. Really soft, I guess. Is everyone using a prototype in this game? Holy moly. I must be the only one not using a prototype and that zombie killer guy. Ooh, so this is how you reload it. It's just like reloading the plasma gun. I have to get used to this, how you use this gun to play with around. Oh my god, everyone's like using the freaking thing. Prototype, and it's annoying as heck. Wow. Those are already hackers. And then you update. Ah, dang it. Oh yeah, there's mines. Look at that. No, those are tanks. What am I talking about? Tanks looking like mines? I don't know. There's some more tanks. Ow. 12 teddy bear. Yes. Yes, finally, after a bit of like 20 hours, I finally got a kill. Yes. Yes! Yes! I got a kill! Finally! Another kill! Ooh! Holy moly, that's so cool! Wow! That's cool. I like it. I like how you can do it now. Wow. And yes, place it down there. Can't really place it anywhere else. Ow. Yes. I like it. You can like, I don't know why it became so quiet for a sudden there. I like how you can, like, every time you die, they put it so now you cannot buy any more ammo. But it makes sense, because every time now that you die, you, respawn with, full ammo. And it's easier to get ammo packs now. And I'm lagging again, very, very bad. Wow, I really like this update, but it's still very laggy. Ow! That guy still has a laser minigun. Overused gun a lot. Ow. Gotta reload. Ooh. Oh, what? You can actually go through here? Oh. I think you can die. Can you die from this? Yeah. Yeah, I'm stupid. Pixel. Of course you can die from something that falls. That's fast movement and falls right above your head. Yeah, of course you're gonna die. I need to think about my logic before I actually speak. Because I'm an idiot. But can those saws really kill me? Just wondering. And I gotta kill assist, cause... Ooh, jetpack! Wow! I like this new update where you can now, like, just get these things as boosts. So now I have a lot of room in this. Oh, give me a second move. Look, see, now you have a lot of room. Ow. Yeah. Also, every time you get shot, you, like, automatically just, like... Sorry, I have to. This might be really stupid. One of the most stupid things I have ever done. Still, I want to check if it actually worked, but then I'm gonna die because people don't, like, want me to do my experiment. Ah! Gotta reload. Every time you reload, come better, faster, victory. It says defeat, even though I said victory. Logic, I think not. I'm being attacked by 2 places at once. That guy really likes grenade spamming. Yes. Also, the Data Hater is back. They added back the Data Hater. Well, that's a big plus. Ow. Okay, now I'm gonna do my experiment. Yes! You can, but then again, I'm stupid again to think enough that you won't die because of that, because, like, of blades. They're blades, scientifically. Those blades, even though they're not fully blades, they can still cut you. I forgot, Pixel Gun sometimes uses real life logic. I walked into those because I laughed. I gotta kill. Someone has an invincibility. But as you can see, I think Rally Soft actually did a good idea on nerfing the power of this Stormhammer. Because it was too OP. Now look at that. Not that many hammer spammers anymore. What? How? There's not that many hammer spammers anymore. Well, that's a big plus. Oh. Nice. Also, every time you complete a quest, that happens. Barely noticed and realized. You know, you gotta shoot. Gotta keep shooting. Every shot with it counts. No! It's that gun! Realize I should probably, like, nerf it so it can, like, people can actually shoot when they shoot those mines. I survived. Yes. Just check around here. You gotta shoot. Getting some hits. hit markers. They're all hit markers for days. I just want to check this nutcracker. No. I just want to check out this. Oh. Let's go through the walls. This is awesome. Get away. That's awesome. Me likey. But this is not a review about that gun, so stop taking all the space. Gotta kill. Full adamant. And there's a guy with a fire orb. It's nice. It's nice. That's very nice. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna die. Yep, I died. This is good. This gun's pretty good, actually. I like it. Elf of the Year! Woohoo! That's what you get for being Elf of the Year. But as you can see, it's a bit more like the old stylish, like, oh, I gotta get it! Mine! Holy crud! Is everyone? Oh, I got it! Fire! Battle! I will fight to the death. Woo! It's mine too. This is mine. No, I destroyed it, but I'm still up and fighting. I will keep fighting till the end of my days. Yes, and my mech. No. Also, the only reason, I think the only reason the Relic Soft made it so every time you die you get full ammo again, probably because what's it called? Shoot, I forgot what I was gonna say. Don't remember how way I was gonna say it. There's a guy over there. And I died, of course. How did that guy not die? Oh, I got him! Nerd. Just kidding. Oh, my room smells good now. Shoot, everybody! Destroy that turret! Destroy that turret, guys! Destroy it! I got it! Ow. Gotta kill somewhere through there. Oh, this update is amazing! Oh, yes! Gotta love these updates, though. Christmas updates, I love them. You get free coins and gems a lot. Ow, there's a guy just camping there. Wow. But then, who am I to judge? I sometimes camp in Pixel Gun. Off camera. It's not fun camping while you're playing Pixel Gun. And, excuse me, I burped there for a second. And people are just watching camp like, oh my god, there's someone in the corner. Oh my god, I'm charging my phone. God, you're gonna get me killed. I think there's someone behind me, but I really don't care. Yeah, there was. Oh, this guy's bunny hopping. I realized the full term of it's called bunny hopping. And I actually didn't really know. Don't judge me. I am a real gamer. I just didn't know. I always called them the hoppers. I was close. You have to give me credit. I was close. Pixel Gun is playing. Pixel Gun is playing. Pixel Gun. 3D. You forgot to put 3D. Ow! Oh my god. Ah, my elbow too. Keep hurting it. I actually gotta end this here. So, oh my god, someone got a 59. In that whole match, I got 14 kills. 2 of them being, those sniper. So, in total, oh, you can check your quest. Nice.